transaction. Now, when someone calls over the phone or if you need to key enter a transaction, you're going to have a portal. And this portal is going to have a username and a password. So anywhere between 1 and 100 people in your organization can have access to this, and we can set credentials based on their title within the organization. So I'll simply go into Sale and plug in the info. Now, when making a transaction, there's also merchant-defined fields. These are optional, but they're very nice because, as I'll show you in a minute, you'll be able to track your reporting based on these. So if you have multiple locations, we can select the office the payment originated from, plug in an invoice number, and other types of payment. You can really track depending on how many credit card sales are for a specific payment, if it applies. And then the biggest thing is you can send a receipt email to that customer. Because remember, they're not swiping in person. This is over the phone. Transactions are keyed in. So if you can send them a receipt on the spot, they'll get this within a matter of seconds. And you'll instantly get a transaction successful message. And I just heard my phone go off, so the email was sent. This gives the card encrypted and truncated. And all these merchant-defined fields that we plugged in, it tracks. So we can now search by these fields down the line. It tells you the date and time of the transaction. I can turn around then and re-email this receipt or create a subscription. So for reoccurring billing, if this was a recurring billing that was once a week, twice a month, quarterly, annually, whatever amount, I could save myself time by coming in here, making sure all the information was plugged in, and then choose from an existing list of plans, or we'll just go ahead and create a new plan. We're going to charge the customer this much every time. I can charge them every X number of days, or on a specific day every month. Or maybe give them a discounted break if they want to pay annually or something. We're going to go ahead and charge until canceled, or if it's an agreement, we can charge them based on the number of times. We've already charged them for June, so the next bill wouldn't be until July. And we're going to save the plan for future use. Now you'll see this has been successfully added. We can go ahead and see that down here and find out that one customer is under this plan. And then if we want to check out the specific details under subscription, we can find that as well. It's the same process for electronic checks, except we plug in the routing number and account number instead of the credit card number.